In this video, I'm going to cover group by operation by Pandas. So first I'm going to import Pandas as PD. Okay, Pandas as PD. Now I'm creating one dictionary, and that dictionary is basically having three different company. The first company is A, the second company is B, and the third company is C. And in A, Ram and Sham is working. In B, Annie and Ravi is working. And in C, Sara and Raj is working. Okay. And they have a different cell in any single month, or we can say in a quarter. So we have the cell options which are available. So the company A, Ram is working and his cell is around 200. Okay, great. So I hope this is clear. Now I'm creating a data frame from this. So when you create a data frame from this, it looks very nice format. It looks very nice format. So it will look in terms of table. Okay. So when I need to run this also first. When I run this, I can create in terms of table. So you can see now the company A have two people who are working and their sales are defined. Company B, similarly, two people are working and their sales are defined. And similarly for company C also. But suppose I want the mixture of companies, like A company I want total sale, B company I want total sale, C company I want total sale. I can use the group by operation. So first I'm going to use the group by operation, and I have defined group by operation equal to what? Group by in a bracket company. Now this company, okay. So I'm going to find the mean of it first. So you can see for A company the mean is 160. For B company the mean is 332. For C company the mean is 296. Similarly, I can find the mean of the company using this method also. So group by dot company mean, directly this way also we can able to find out. Okay. Now suppose I want to find the standard deviation of it, I can able to do that. So standard deviation of company A, company B and company C is available. I want to find the mean value of each of the company, that is also possible, and who are basically the person who basically need a mean cell, minimum cell, we can able to find out, so that we can ask them to improve. We can even find out what is the max cell done by the people. I have created only two data. You can have a multiple data available in table. Next part is, suppose group by operation, I would just want to count. So we have two people in the company, and we have two kind of sale inside the company. Similarly, I can use a describe method. Now in using describe method, I get basically the mean, standard deviation, mean, standard deviation, 25% of the value, 50% of the value, 75% of the value, and what is the max value of it. That also we can able to find out using describe operation. Suppose this table is not in the correct format, we can just transpose it to this format. Now this is more logical way to see the table of the data frame. I can just transpose only B part, that is also possible. So only B part, that means we are going to transfer only company B data. So when I write company A, also I can have the company A statistic available with me. So a very interesting way of handling group by operation by Pandas.